Hey, this is Jeff Chastain from MASC by Jeff Chastain, the creator of Kuschelbar Hair and Beard Straightener. I just wanted to do a non-sped up video for Instagram so I can show you how easy it is to do the beard straightening in real time. I've had a lot of questions on how fast do you brush through, how hard do you push when you're brushing, any products, things like that. And so I just want to quickly go over all that and show you how easy it actually is. So I do put in a little bit of the Glory Hold paste. If you don't have that, I'm actually out of stock of it right now too. You can use a little bit of wax, balm, beard oil, anything. Put it in there before, and then you're gonna plug your Kuschelbar in, let it heat up for a good 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll feel the back of the Kuschelbar should like almost be too hot to touch. And then I just start in the beard here, and you can see I'm pushing in kind of firm and going down pretty slow when I brush it here. So I have a little bit of product in my beard, so you'll see the steam from the product coming off, nothing to worry about. But you can see I'm brushing pretty slow here. If your beard is one of those beards that wants to puff out too, what I'll do is when I'm brushing this, you want to kind of curve it into the face. A lot of guys have a tendency to brush this way, which will make it flip out. So I'm kind of following the jawline and just pushing right in. If you want it to be really flat, I'll actually let it cool down underneath my hand there, and you can see then it makes it even flatter to the chin. And you can see how straight that gets just even going over it pretty quickly. So I'm just doing slow, but I'm pushing into my face there pretty hard. And now I'm just gonna let it kind of settle into shape there. You can see how easily that works. Messy side, groom side. You can do it pretty fast. Once I got the hang of it too, I can do my beard in about 45 seconds and my hair in about 45 seconds. So that actually saves a lot of time in the morning. Otherwise I'd be putting product and combing it into place. But if you have any more questions, send me a DM here and I can answer it and hopefully get you the best results that you can get with the Kuschelbar. Thanks. Hope to hear from you.